Hey guys, it's UnknownSeeker Productions back at it again, and today, behold, the UnknownSeeker version 8. Anyways, let's just dive right into articulation. I have to straighten this guy out a bit. There we go. There's a ball joint at the cone head, side to side, left and right, full 360 degrees. It kind of enter up and down. Up. Also, just to make things easier, I like to take the kibble off of his back. Rotation at the shoulder. Arm moves out. Ratcheted bicep swivel. No, that's not supposed to happen. Stop. Bend at the elbow. Up and down at the wrist. Wrist swivel. And individually articulated fingers, as you can see already. The legs can kick, can move back very far. They can move out pretty far until they hit the arms. You get a ball joint of the thigh, which can, I guess, get us a thigh swivel. Bend at the knee swivel. And yeah, it's pretty. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention the waist swivel. Oh, and the thruster paws are also on ball joints. Anyway, let's go over accessories. He comes with his mace. Well, the chain for the mace. Just take off his hand. Plug it in there. And put it in there. And this thing is 17 segments. He can reach up for you with his evil hands. And now both sides are actually fusion cannon compatible, which is my imma 2. So you can just slide that in there, and it actually spins as well. And yes, both of these cannons are exactly the same, 4 barrels. Anyway, retract your hands. Oh, and if you want to display it with the fusion cannon, what I would do is just slide this down and fold it out. So that way it looks a bit more like that. And when you took it off, just put it back where it once was. Also, I hate it when these pins stick in there. And just reattach the hands. And you can also plug in the shield. This very, very big shield. Wait, did I put this pin on the wrong way? I think I might have put the pin in the wrong way. Oh my god, keep this video under 10 minutes. Just plug it in there. Close the fingers up. And ba-bam, he's got a shield. But his arms can barely even support its weight. So it's kind of useless. Slide that off. Don't stick, nope. I hate it when this happens. Take you fricker out. Plug you back in. And this thing's is actually compatible with both hands as a sniper rifle. It's going to swivel that around, swivel that. And then just plug it into one of the studs in there. And bam. And you can also hold this thing, which is his throwing knife. That's not what I want you to do. And that looks pretty good. And now, finally, on to size comparisons. Let me find things to compare him with. Here he's with Voyager Megatron. Move these accessories out of the way. Whoosh. And where is he? Oh. OSCB. No. You know, fine. And the big boy, Radoja. So, there you have that. Stand up. And that is pretty much it for this review. I hope you enjoyed. And I will see you all in the next video. Peace out, everyone.